When you first see acoustic levitation, it seems like complete magic. Coming from a background in fluidic devices, my first thought was this could completely change the lab equipment. Systems that can handle a small amount of liquids and solids, such as those in biology labs, are crucial for everyday life. Unfortunately, these systems often become specialized within each application and costly as a result. But what if these systems could handle materials without ever making contact?
So we are advancing acoustic holography techniques using which we can shape the sound field in many complex ways to perform tasks such as acoustic levitation. We can update the device at 40,000 updates per second. This allows us to not only levitate objects at high speed, but also levitate solids and liquids equally in different environments in the presence of external objects.
The technology does much more than moving materials. It revolutionizes material handling in two unique ways. First, it places materials in truly contact-free environments. In these environments, we can analyze material more clearly, observe reactions more accurately, and even grow structures of higher quality. Second, it supports a vast array of processing tasks, including droplet merging, mixing, printing, and droplet ejection, all through a single device with no moving parts. Our technology is already demonstrating potential in protein crystallography, where we are collaborating with Diamond Light Source to augment their state-of-the-art robotic solutions. Here, we can not only increase throughput, but also unlock new possibilities, such as room temperature protein analysis. We continually expand our technology capabilities and make integration smoother. We are providing evaluation kits, compatible software, as well as comprehensive support. We are collaborating with innovators across diverse sectors, from biochemistry to agriculture. Join us in shaping the future of acoustic levitation in your industry.